Alam mo ba na starting May 1, 2025, all non-Thai nationals or any foreigners entering Thailand by air, land, or sea must complete the Thailand Digital Arrival Card or TDAC online before arrival. Take note, online is a step-by-step guide on filling out the form before your travel. First step is to go to the Thailand Digital Arrival Card website. You can search it in Google. This is the website for the Thailand Digital Arrival Card or TDAC. Once you click on the website, it will show you 4 points regarding the Thailand Digital Arrival Card. It will also show you Arrival Card and Update Arrival Card. There's also Update Arrival Card in case you want to make changes on the Arrival Card that you have previously filled out. We click on the Arrival Card. There are 3 steps to do. First is personal information, trip and accommodation information, and health declaration. We go first with the personal information and passport. So you can put your family name, first name, middle name, passport number, and nationality or citizenship. The data that you will put in here should be the same as what is indicated in your passport. Next group is the personal information. First is the date of birth, occupation, gender, visa number. You can leave it as blank because for Filipinos we don't have visa to go to Thailand. In case you're a foreigner who is required to have a visa, you need to put your visa number as per the visa that you have. Country or territory of residence, you can put Philippines. For Filipinos right now in Dubai or in UAE or in any other country or working in another country, you can put the applicable country where you are currently residing. It depends on the country that you will put or you will select. It will show you the applicable cities and you can select from those selections. For the phone number, it will automatically give the country code based on the country that you have selected. For UAE, it's 971 and for Philippines, it's 63. Then click continue. Next information is the trip and accommodation information. Since we are only filling up for one traveler, you can skip that same as previous traveler and we can proceed with the arrival information. So the date of arrival is the date of your arrival in Thailand. So for example, 28. As per TDAC, you can only fill out the TDAC within 72 hours of your flight. That's why you can see that the only valid dates of arrival is from 25th to 28th. The purpose of travel, there are different directions such as holiday, meeting, sports, business, incentive, and such. You can select which is applicable for you, but for the purpose of traveling, you can put holiday. If you have selected others, you can put the reason of the travel on the blank space below it. So mode of travel, you have air, land, and sea. So if you're traveling through plane, you can select air. Then mode of transport, commercial flight, private cargo airline, or others. Normally, if it's commercial flight. The flight number, put the flight number based on your ticket. Date of departure, the date of departure is the date you are leaving Thailand. Then you also have to select which is the mode of transport, either air, land, or sea. And the mode of transport also, if it's air, if it's a commercial flight or a private plane or others, and you need to specify what is those others. Last column is the hotel accommodation information. If you can click this box. I am a transit passenger, I don't stay in Thailand. But if you are not a transit passenger and you intend for a couple of days, you have to put your accommodation information. You can select from the type of accommodation that is given to you in the drop-down box. If you are staying in a hotel, you can click hotel. And if the selection is not applicable for you, you can select others and you have to specify what kind of accommodation you are staying in. If you're traveling to Bangkok, you can click Bangkok. If you're traveling to different cities, I suggest you can put the hotel information of the first hotel that you are staying in. Once you select which province you are staying in, it will automatically give you also the selection on which district and sub-district. So for example, from my side, it's Bang Rak. And then when you select Bang Rak, it will also give you a list of selections applicable for Bang Rak. Normally, if you're booking your hotel from booking.com, Agoda, you can see the address on those websites. But if you don't have the address, you can search the place in Google and it will give you the address. I suggest you put the name of the hotel and the address of the hotel. Once you're done, you can click continue. The last step is the health declaration. For this one, the only question is to give all the countries that you have stayed in within 2 weeks before your arrival. If you haven't traveled within 2 weeks, you can put country of residence. So for my case, I've only put UAE. Once you're done, you can click review. But if you're coming with friends or family, you can add other travelers and do the same steps that I have discussed a while ago. But if you're done, you can click preview to check all the details. Once you confirm all the details, you can put the email address in the box. You need to give the email address where you want to receive the email regarding TDAC. After filling out the email address, you can read the terms and conditions, and once you agree, you can click agree and it will automatically click I have read and accepted the terms and conditions. When you're done, you can click submit. Once you're done, you will receive an email that your TDAC has been submitted. The email will look like this, and it will give you some details of your application such as TDAC card number, your full name, passport number, phone number, postcode, accommodation, date of arrival, and the purpose of your travel. In the email, there's an attachment of the arrival card. It says there you may choose to download or print a copy of this and retain it for the duration of your stay. In this arrival card, you also have the QR code, which is also in the contents of the email that you have received. This arrival card summarizes all the details that you have input online. Once you have checked that everything is okay, you're good to go. Enjoy Thailand!